Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make this really super sweet little card using this Walrus stamp set. It's called We'll Walrus Be Friends. Makes me laugh every time I use that stamp set. It's so cute. So this was the card sketch that was posted on my blog on Monday, and this was card sketch number 91, and I made this card exactly like the card sketch measurements were. But when I was looking at the finished card, I thought, you know what, I'm going to change this up a little bit for my YouTube video. And we're going to cut this card apart to make it look like a little peekaboo window. But let me give you the measurements of this card sketch 91. So the black strip is about 1 3/4 inch wide by 5.5 inches long. And then the smoky slate measurements for the little 3 windows are 1.5 by 3. Okay? So we're going to make this card with the walrus, but I'm going to change it up with you today. So we're going to make the smoky slate version. So now can you see where the strip would have normally have been behind the 3 panels? But now it's like a see-through window. Can you see that? So you can see the white coming through there. And then that's the inside. Isn't it cute? All right, and then I made this one using the basic gray. Same idea. So I just cut the card apart. And so the 3 little walrus panels are actually making the card front, holding it together, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and make the smoky slate version. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so let's start with the base. This smoky slate is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. You're gonna use 3 pieces of Whisper White, and these are all cut at 1.5 by 3. Okay. And then we've got the pieces of black. You're going to need 3 of those. And these are all 3 cut at 1 5/8 by 3 1/8. Okay, so what I did is I went ahead and stamped on the Whisper White pieces. So let me grab the stamp set. So this is the stamp set again. So I'm using a lot of the walruses for my little panels here. And then for the greeting for the front, I'm using Just Floating By to Say Hi. And I'll show you how I did that for the front. So we're going to bring in all our stamps. There's a lot. So cute. All right, then we're going to also use the Memento ink for stamping our walrus because I colored in the images with the Stampin' Blends. So we're just going to go ahead and stamp one of the walruses on each of the panels. This one right here makes me laugh, and this one actually, with their cute little eyes. It's so cute. Look at this one. Okay, so then the fish are also in this stamp set. So we're going to stamp the fish. So I'm going to stamp both of the fish on this one right here. This has got a funny eye on that fish too. It's so cute. So we're going to stamp both of the fish on that one, and then on this one we're just going to stamp one of the fish over here. Okay? So I went ahead and colored in the walruses already. So to save some time, I went ahead and did that. And then I'm going to grab some more Whisper White. Let me see what this one is. It's Just Floating By to Say Hi. Let me grab some more Whisper White. I'm going to show you exactly what I did for this. So this greeting and the one for this one, I Will Walrus Be Your Friend. Yeah. Both of these greetings have enough space where you can cut them apart. Okay, so look at this here. So this is the stamp, what it looks like when it's all put together. So Just Floating By to Say Hi. So what I did is I just took my scissors, let me grab them, and you're just going to cut them apart to kind of split them up a little bit. And it's really super easy. Just cut them apart, just like that. So you have enough space to get in between there with the scissors, okay? And once again, I went ahead and already did that, and I added them to the basic black backing, all right? So that's how I did the greeting. Okay, so let me show you the Stampin' Blends that I used to color in my little cute, adorable little walruses. So I used the Smoky Slate in the combo, the Pumpkin Pie Light, and the Mango Melody in the dark, and I colored in the fish with both of those colors. And then for the outline of my walruses and then also the water here, I used the Pool Party and the combo. Okay. So now let's grab our trimmer. We'll do some cutting on our base card here. Okay, so remember this is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, and then you're going to score it at 4 1/4. So we're going to cut the front of the card. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line this score line at the 4 1/4 inch score line. I'm going to line this up at 1 1/4 along the top of my trimmer here. I can see if it's lined up perfectly. So we're going to cut that off. Okay, so now we're going to line this edge up at 1 1/4 as well, and we're going to remove that section. So now all you're going to have left is this piece for the front of your card. So you're going to remove this section. So now here's the base of our card. So now in order to make it a front of the card, we're going to attach our Walrus to kind of hold this whole card front together, and plus give it a little peekaboo through the front of the card. How cute. Okay, so we're going to put adhesive on the back of our walruses on the outside edges on both ends. Okay, so now you're going to decide on what walrus do you want up the top, kind of positioning them how you want them to sit. I think I want mine to sit like that. Okay, so we're going to take our card, and I'm going to, now this is just a rough layout because of course we want our 3 walruses to kind of be balanced, right? So we're going to take this one. This one is going to come in just a little bit like that. And then our last one is going to sit down here. So now you can tell that they're not quite balanced. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick them up and move them over. That looks actually pretty good, just like that, okay? Remember, we have adhesive on the back side of those 3 panels. Now we're going to bring in our other piece of smoky slate, and you're going to line this up at the far right-hand corner of the base of the card. So that's going to make your base, and then you're going to fold over the 3 panels and adhere them down. So then you got your whole card front just like that. Isn't that cute? Then we're going to take our greeting, just floating by to say hi. And I put the little mini dimensionals on those. We're just going to put this right up here. And then this one to say hi is going to go on the second panel. With the little seagull on his head. Yeah. So cute. I'm going to put him, let's put it right there. Isn't that adorable? So now one other thing that I did is I took the Wink of Stella and I just added some shimmer to the fish and then a few places to the walrus. Of course, his little muzzle and his teeth are cute, and the seagull. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and stamp the inside of the card. So we're going to stamp the inside with "I will walrus be your friend." Now this time, you're going to try to keep your greeting inside of these panels, so when you close the card, there's nothing showing through the front. So I'm going to go ahead and do a test stamp to make sure that this is stamping straight on my block. Yep. Okay, so I'm just going to take a visual with my eye across the center of the card and stamp it right there. "I will walrus be your friend," and see when it's closed, you don't see it. Adorable. I love this stamp set and I love this card. All right, so now let me show you a couple other versions of this card sketch number 91. So now here is the twist on my sample that I posted on Monday using the same card sketch, but used the Over the Moon stamp set. Isn't that cute? So then here is one using a brand new item. Let me show you the stamp set. So now this is a brand new stamp set that's going to be in the holiday catalog, which starts on September 4th. And as a demonstrator, we got to pre-order. So I'm so excited to use the brand new items, of course. And so I used the hashtag Elfie stamp set, which these cute little elves here on the Christmas version of this card. Isn't it cute? So this is the same card sketch. Isn't that amazing? So the same card sketch for all 3 cards, but they look totally different. So this one is going vertical and then this one's going horizontal, and the same with the Christmassy one. So now here's the thing. So I used another brand new stamp set in the glitter pit yesterday using a brand new Halloween stamp set using this card sketch. So if you want to check out that replay from the glitter pit yesterday, click on that link down below and it will take you to my blog and you can see the video posted right there. And then also don't forget, every Wednesday at 3 o'clock Eastern, I'm live in the Glitter Pit, and the Glitter Pit is my Facebook business page. So you're welcome to join me over there every Wednesday at 3 o'clock. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.